Good morning, students. Today, due to lockdown, we are unable to attend the class in schools. That's why we are going to attend the class in home with proper quarantine best. That's why we would like to take the class for the online classes to all of you. आज हम लोग सबसे पहले क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं जहाँ पे बच्चों को ये बताया जाएगा कि किस तरीके से अंग्रेजी का स्टार्टिंग क्लास करते हैं. So today we are going to teach the students the use of this and that. It's very simple and very easy to understand, but first of all, it is the basic components of starting English. That's why we just have to make proper understanding about this and that. So this and that is related to singular, countable noun. It means that noun is divided into two major class. Noun is divided into two major class, that is singular, countable noun. Noun is divided into two major class, that is called singular countable noun, and second is plural countable noun. So need to understand that we have to understand first that before using this and that, we have to understand about noun. Noun, any naming words are called noun. Any naming words are called noun. So noun is divided into three class. Noun is divided into three class. That is proper noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. It means that noun is divided into three major class. That is noun, naming words are called noun. Noun has three major class, that is proper noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. So what we are going to talk that noun, countable noun has two major class, that is singular countable noun and plural countable noun. So singular countable noun, first we will only have to understand about singular countable noun. Singular countable noun is depend upon the use of this and that. So we are talking about the same singular countable noun. So again, I am just going to finish this board. So singular countable noun, this and that denote, this denote nearer article and that denote farthest. It means that this is used to denote near object and that is denote far object. Means that whenever any articles which is in your hand or in your near about your hand, that is called this. And when any article which is little far to your hand, and you could make proper sign with your finger, or you could locate that things with your finger, it is used with the help of that. Now we are trying to understand one by one all the items, all the informations. So this को हम लोग हिंदी में यह कहते हैं, और that को हिंदी में वह कहते हैं. दोनों के लिए ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब जो होगा वो इज होगा, सिंगुलर के लिए, ये प्रेजेंट के लिए. प्रेजेंट फॉर्म को डिनोट करने के लिए. अभी हम लोग एक रूल ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर को सीख लेते हैं. पहले रूल ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, इसके लिए यूज करेंगे दिस या दैट प्लस इज प्लस नाउन. There is any and single countable we are just using plus noun. पहचान हिंदी को हम देखते हैं. यह वह एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. यह एक किताब है. सेम we are using the words first as this or that. So here is this, we are already given the meaning. This means yeah, that means what. All are related to singular countable noun. So we will like to write this. Next is. So we will write here is. We have to choose A or N. When any word is starting with the help of consonant, we have to use A. And if any word start with the help of vowel, we will have to use N. So book is the word book, B-O-O-K, book. Book is the word which sound is starting with the help of consonants. That's why we just use E. Again, we just take another example of it. That is, वह एक छाता. Like वह. We have the examples वह and that. Now, second is छाता. What is the English of छाता? That is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. This word is starting with the sound of U. U, it means that the first sound is umbrella. So it is the vowel sound. We have to use M. This is an umbrella. So all students should have to practice at least 10 sentences with the help of this given information. I hope that you will try and complete with proper understanding. I am going to give you some more tasks to you. Now I am just going to give you some tasks and you will just only have to complete properly. I am going to finish this board. Here is some examples, like we are going to create a table for you. or with understanding. Here we just give two words, that is subject, like this and that, whatever word we told you. Both of the word we will use auxiliary verb as is, and there is two optional word, that is a or an as an article to denote singular countable noun, and some nouns like pen, book, pencil, umbrella, elephant, apple. Now just try to create this as given information, and you will have to also create in Hindi form also. So first in the 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will just only have to use this. So we will write here this first. Second is, so write here is. Third is a or an. So first of all you will have to use the word, that is pen. Pen is starting with the sound of a. So we will write here a, and now pen. Now in Hindi, we'll try to transfer this sentence in Hindi. So this means ya, a means एक, पेन मतलब कलम, और इसका मतलब है। ये जो होगा, ये हिंदी बनाने के लिए आपको बनाना पड़ेगा 1 नंबर, 2 नंबर, 3 नंबर और ये 4 नंबर। सेम फॉर हिंदी यू विल जस्ट हैव टू यूज, ये है फॉर इंग्लिश, और फॉर हिंदी के लिए आपको आना पड़ेगा, इसको 1 नंबर रखना होगा, इसको 2, इसको 3 और इसको 4 आपको चेंज करना है। सेम अगर हम इसी चीज को मेंटेन करते हैं, दिस सेकंड एक क्वेश्चन और बनाते हैं, दिस दूसरा है हमारे पास इज, हम लोग इज लिख लेते हैं। 3 नंबर में है हमारे पास एक कॉन्सोनेंट को देखते हैं, एक कॉन्सोनेंट को देख चुके हैं, अब एक वॉवल को देखते हैं, तो हमारे पास अम्ब्रेला को देखते हैं। तो दिस इज अम्ब्रेला स्टार्टिंग विथ अ, सो वी विल यूज अ एंड अम्ब्रेला, UMBRELLA। और यहाँ पे हिंदी को हमको मेंटेन करना है, तो नीचे वाले फॉर्म में आते हैं। तो 1 नंबर में दिस है, तो दिस को हम लोग जब लिखते हैं, 2 नंबर हमारे यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, 2 नंबर में हमारे इज ए और एन में से है, तो हम एन लिखे, तो एन का मतलब होता है 1। 3 नंबर हमारे यहाँ पे है अम्ब्रेला, हमने चूज किया है, तो अम्ब्रेला का मतलब होता है छाता, और 4 नंबर में इज है, तो इसका मतलब होता है तो हमारा सेंटेंस। So I hope that you will create a number of sentences with the help of this information, and this task is for you. You will have to create the sentence like this is a pen, यह एक कलम है, this is a book, यह एक किताब है, this is a pencil, यह एक पेंसिल है, this is an umbrella, यह एक छाता है, this is an elephant, यह एक हाथी है, this is an apple, यह एक सेब है। Now again you will just have to come with the another sentence, that is say that is a pen, वह एक कलम है, that is a book, वह एक किताब है, that is a pencil, वह एक पेंसिल है, that is an umbrella, वह एक छाता है, that is an elephant, वह एक हाथी है, that is an apple, वह एक सेब है। And in this way you will just create a number of sentences with your own sense and your own understanding. Thank you so much. We'll just continue and give your feedbacks. If you have any problems, you may connect to us and can call, give your feedbacks according to your analysis report and your errors. If you have any error to understand any sentence properly or proper understanding, with definitely you may just make calls to me or give your information through your comments. So definitely according to your given comments I will just try to